The world stands on the brink of a technological revolution unlike anything humanity has ever experienced. Nothing like this has happened since the birth of the internet, and even electricity seems like just a spark in comparison. At the heart of this new era is Tesla. A company many still see as just a car manufacturer has long since moved beyond electric vehicles. Tesla is preparing to unveil not just a robot, it is developing a new neural core for its humanoid machines, a special artificial intelligence chip that could permanently transform every industry on the planet. This AI chip is being designed specifically for the Tesla Optimus project, a humanoid robot that already today can walk, recognize objects, pick them up, sort them, and perform basic industrial tasks. But this is only the beginning. According to insiders and engineers closely involved with the project, the new chip will take these robots to a level where they no longer simply mimic human movements, but actually begin to think, adapt, and learn in real time. Unlike general-purpose graphics processing units used by OpenAI, Google, or other artificial intelligence giants, this Tesla chip is being purpose-built for next-generation robotics, real-world interaction, spatial navigation, operation in complex environments, and even intuitive communication with humans. As always, Elon Musk is not aiming small. His vision is to create not just an AI assistant, but a fully capable digital worker, one that can perform tasks better than a human. And most importantly, do so without fatigue, without error, and without a paycheck. Musk has already said outright, Optimus may become a more important product for Tesla than all of its cars, power stations, and solar panels combined. And that is not an exaggeration. Imagine a world where factories are not staffed by hundreds of people, but by thousands of robots, all synchronized and trained by a single artificial intelligence core. A world where a robot serves you at a restaurant, remembers your preferences, and understands your emotions. A world where humanoid assistants live in homes, not just executing commands, but caring, learning, and improving with every new task. All of this becomes possible thanks to one key component, Tesla's new AI chip, which will be the heart of these machines. This chip is being developed using the most advanced architectures. It will not only be faster, but also more energy efficient than current solutions. Its task will be to process visual information in real time, analyze environments, predict actions, and make decisions. It will be equipped with unique machine learning modules optimized for reinforcement learning and multidimensional spatial perception. This will allow robots to act autonomously without relying on external servers or cloud computing. Such an approach makes them faster, safer, and more independent from networks. This chip is the key to mass production of Optimus. Right now, production is slow and almost manual, but Tesla plans to launch full-scale assembly lines in 2025 to 2026. And once they have a scalable, low-cost, and powerful chip capable of managing all functions of a humanoid robot, the avalanche will begin. Imagine a world in which for $20,000 to $30,000, you can buy an assistant ready to work 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. No more need to hire security guards, cleaners, warehouse staff, couriers, or construction workers. The robot can do it all better, more precisely and more cheaply than any human. And once there are millions of such robots, they will begin to replace us, not in some distant future, but within the next 5 to 10 years. This is the most dangerous, and at the same time, the most thrilling part of the story. This new era will bring unprecedented productivity, growth in gross domestic product, and reduced operational costs. But it will also trigger waves of unemployment, social structure shifts, psychological challenges, and even a rethinking of the very meaning of labor. Many experts are already calling this project Revolution 2.0 because Tesla is not just building a robot. It is creating a new workforce, and doing so at a moment when the world is only just beginning to grasp the true power of artificial intelligence. But while the United States and Tesla are confidently pushing forward, China is not standing still. In the Middle Kingdom, dozens of companies are simultaneously developing their own robotic humanoids. Among them, Xiaomi Robotics, Fourier Intelligence, UB Tech, and Deep Robotics stand out. These companies are supported by the government, have access to massive data volumes, and operate with the most advanced manufacturing capabilities. In the year 2025, the world's largest humanoid exhibition took place in Shenzhen, where more than 150 prototypes were showcased, from nurses and security guards to construction and mining robots. And yes, Chinese robots can already run, dance, care for the elderly, and even teach in schools. What is particularly concerning is that China is betting on scale. While Tesla is building the individually advanced Optimus, Chinese companies are creating tens of thousands of simpler, more scalable models that can flood the market more quickly. However, Tesla holds a crucial advantage: the deepest integration of all its systems. The company owns everything: neural networks, data centers, chips, manufacturing, transport, energy, and even a unified software ecosystem. This means that in the future, Optimus will be part of the entire Tesla infrastructure. It will not only assist in the factory, it will recharge from Tesla solar panels, move through Tesla bot networks, receive updates via TeslaNet, and be managed by a unified artificial intelligence core. If Tesla is the first to release an artificial intelligence chip capable of real-time control of a complex humanoid, it will become a point of no return for all humanity. We will no longer be the only species capable of labor and thought. For the first time in Earth's history, a new competitor will emerge, for resources, for space, and for control of civilization itself. But this race also brings enormous opportunity. Imagine robots taking over all routine work, while humanity focuses on creativity, leadership, and progress. Imagine a world where retirees receive free personal assistance, where children learn from artificial intelligence mentors, and where heavy labor is no longer necessary. All of this becomes reality as soon as Tesla finalizes its chip and launches it into mass production. This is not science fiction. It is a matter of 2 or 3 years, perhaps even months. That is why Tesla's stock is rising, why analysts are revising forecasts, and why competitors are growing nervous. Because whoever creates the first fully capable, autonomous, intelligent, and affordable robot will control the next industrial era. So now ask yourself, are you ready for that future? Will your profession still exist in 10 years? Or is it already being replaced by a line of code and a microchip in a robot's chest? The world is changing, and once again, Tesla is leading the way. Of course, Elon Musk is aware of the potential risks. He has repeatedly spoken about the need for regulation of artificial intelligence to prevent an uncontrolled singularity. But at the same time, he continues to accelerate development. Because if not him, someone else will, faster, with less caution, and without ethical constraints. Meanwhile, China is continuing to ramp up its efforts. In the year 2025, Shanghai unveiled the first industrial robot capable of generating work schedules, adapting to shift patterns, and training other robotic machines. All of this happens in real time, with minimal human input. Chinese cities have already begun deploying humanoids as public assistants, in train stations, schools, and hospitals. These robots greet people, answer questions, monitor safety, and even provide entertainment. The key difference in China's approach lies in scale and integration into urban infrastructure. While Tesla's Optimus is still primarily a product for the business-to-business sector, Chinese humanoids are being positioned to become part of everyday life for millions of citizens. Only one question remains: will we be the ones controlling this intelligence, or will it one day decide it no longer needs us?